In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be more productive with Trello. 5 minutes. First, sign up for Trello or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in, create a new board. Think of a board as the home base for a project or a team. Give your board a clear, specific title that matches what you're working on, something like Marketing Launch Q1 or Personal Task Hub. A descriptive name makes it easier to find and keeps everyone aligned. Next, set up your workflow with lists. These lists represent stages of work. A simple and effective starting point is to do, doing, and done. You can add more when needed, like ideas for brainstorming, on hold for paused work, or a backlog for tasks you plan to tackle later. Keep it simple at first. You can always refine as you go. Now, add cards. Create one card for each task or project. Cards are like digital sticky notes you can move across your lists. Make card titles action-oriented and clear. For example, draft blog post rather than blog. If a task is large, break it into smaller cards so progress is visible. Click into a card to add helpful details. Use the description to outline context. Add a checklist for subtasks. Set a due date, and attach files or links. This keeps everything related to the task in one place, which cuts down on searching and back and forth messages. Use labels to categorize and prioritize. Color-coded labels can indicate urgency, project phase, or department. Define a simple label system and keep it consistent so everyone understands what each color means. Invite collaborators to your board or assign people to specific cards using the members option. Inside a card, use the @ symbol followed by a person's name to notify them about updates or requests. Be specific in your notes so teammates know exactly what's needed and by when. As work progresses, drag cards from one list to the next. This gives a live snapshot of status at a glance. When a task is complete, move it to done or archive it to keep your board tidy. A quick weekly sweep to archive finished work helps maintain focus. To add some delight, use stickers on cards to highlight wins or important items. Finally, connect Trello to tools you already use. Power-ups like Google Drive make file access smoother, and the calendar view helps you visualize all due dates in one place. Turn it on to plan your week and avoid surprises. That's it. Set up your board, keep cards moving, and let Trello streamline your day.